Imagine a pterosaur soaring through prehistoric skies, its wings shimmering like a hummingbird's. Scientists hypothesize some may have had iridescent feathers or scales, but evidence is scarce. Fossils hint at microscopic structures similar to modern iridescence, suggesting these creatures dazzled ancient landscapes. We'll explore the clues and fossils and animations to uncover their shimmering secrets. Pterosaurs were flying reptiles, not dinosaurs. Thriving from the Jurassic to Cretaceous periods, around 200 million years ago. They ranged from tiny, hummingbird-sized species like Nemicolopterus to colossal giants like Quetzalcoatlus, with wingspans up to 39 feet. Unlike birds or bats, pterosaurs had a unique wing structure, a membrane stretched over elongated fingers supported by a single bone. Some waddled on land but took flight effortlessly, showcasing their remarkable adaptability. Iridescence isn't just color, it's light dancing on tiny structures. Imagine a hummingbird's wing or a beetle's shell. Microscopic layers act like prisms, splitting sunlight into shifting hues as the creature moves. This is structural coloration, where nature's nanoscale architecture creates dazzling effects without pigments. It's like built-in glitter, but with precise science. Fossils like Nemicolopterus show microscopic layered structures, almost like tiny feathers that could have reflected light in dazzling ways. These layers act like a prism, creating shimmer without pigments, similar to hummingbird feathers. While this suggests pterosaurs may have shimmered, fossil evidence is fragile and incomplete. But how could pterosaurs shimmer like hummingbirds? The answer lies in tiny, layered structures like the microscopic cells in a hummingbird's feathers or a beetle's shell. These layers reflect light at different angles, creating shifting colors without pigments. Some pterosaur fossils, like Nemicolopterus, show feather-like structures that might have done this. But here's the catch. These clues are fragmentary, so we can only say, may have. The fossil record is tricky. It doesn't always preserve delicate details. If pterosaurs shimmered like hummingbirds, their iridescence might have served purposes beyond beauty. Males could have used it to impress mates or deter rivals, while females might have blended into the sky for camouflage. Social signaling is another possibility, as birds today use feathers to communicate rank, though no direct evidence exists. This behavior seems plausible, given pterosaurs' long lifespans and complex social structures. Pterosaurs were flying reptiles, not dinosaurs. They evolved separately around 200 million years ago, with wings made of skin over a single finger bone. Some had feather-like structures, unlike dinosaurs like T-Rex or Triceratops, which ruled the land. This distinction helps us understand their unique biology and behavior. Imagine a hummingbird's wing tiny, layered cells that catch light and sparkle like a prism. Pterosaurs might have had similar structures in their fossilized feathers, reflecting light at precise angles to create shimmering colors without pigments. This isn't just about beauty. It could have been a dazzling mating display or camouflage, helping them blend into the sky. The fossil record is tricky, but if true, it's a glimpse into how these ancient flyers used physics to stand out in a way that still amazes us today. If pterosaurs shimmered, it wasn't just for show, it could have shaped their lives. Like hummingbirds today, males might have flashed colors to compete for mates or warn rivals, while females used subtle shifts to blend into the sky during hunts. Social signals. Maybe. Some modern animals use color to show age or experience, so pterosaurs with longer lifespans could have done the same. Beyond beauty, this hints at their behavior and survival strategies, offering a glimpse into how these ancient flyers adapted and thrived in their world. Studying fossils and iridescence teaches us how ancient creatures lived, not just what they looked like. Think of it like a detective puzzle. Tiny clues and rock can reveal how pterosaurs use shimmering wings for survival or romance, just like hummingbirds do today. Paleontology isn't just about bones. It's about imagining the physics and behavior of creatures that vanished millions of years ago. If you've ever wondered how science brings history to life, this is your glimpse behind the curtain. But proving this theory isn't straightforward. Fossils are rare, and their preservation is imperfect. Some delicate structures might not leave clear traces in rock, or subtle clues could be hidden beneath the surface. Science thrives on testing ideas even when answers aren't perfect. It's like solving a puzzle where some pieces are missing. But every clue brings us closer to understanding these ancient creatures. So next time you see a hummingbird darting through sunlight, imagine a pterosaur doing the same millions of years ago. This shimmer wasn't just about beauty. It was survival, communication, or even romance in the skies. Science lets us piece together these ancient mysteries one fossil at a time. If this fascinated you, hit like and subscribe to explore more wonders of nature and science. Let's keep